Hey guys, Joe Quinn from The Place here in Medina. I'm going to go over some of the newer things that Big Green Egg and ourselves are offering to our customers this year for grilling. So one of the things that we've been getting feedback from our clients on has been wanting to get more cooking space out of their Big Green Egg. One of the ways that you can achieve that is by what's called an expansion kit system by Big Green Egg. As you can see from this particular large egg, that we now have multiple layers of cooking, which is easily removed and a little flexible. We can add woks into it, we can add pizza stones as we go. One of the other nice things is on the removal of what they call the egg convector. Some people have had some issues with how do you grab that hot stone when you want to add more charcoal or add more smoke wood. So this racking system simply removes with ease, and now we can pick up our entire cooking area as well as our plate setter to add any of our new fuel into there, add any of our smoke wood into there as well. So trying to make it simple, trying to make it easy. One of the other things that we've had some people asking about is workspace stations and kitchen islands. So Big Green Egg has manufactured a tabling system that you can keep adding piece by piece to that, and it's called a modular nest. So in this particular situation, we have just a large egg in a modular nest holder, and then we have an existing table system built to the side of it that we can keep adding, add wheels to it, add multiple wood or stainless steel shelving into the inside, and can go, really the potential's endless.